Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about horizontal tangents.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, y equals a negative 1 over x squared plus 1, and we want to find the points where the tangent line to the function is horizontal. Well, I like to rewrite this function here to be like this, negative denominator x squared plus 1 to the negative 1 power. And that's because I know I'm going to be taking the derivative. I just like taking the derivative of rational functions like this. With that being said, we need to find the derivative. F prime of x is equal to, negative stays out front, so let's call it negative 1. This negative 1 comes down, negative 1. Inside stays the same, x squared plus 1. Exponent gets raised to the, or subtract by 1, so it's a minus 2 power, times the derivative of the inside, which is a 2x. Simplifying this back out to a rational function, negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1 times 2x is a 2x's in the numerator. Denominator, bring down the x squared plus 1, and we now have an exponent of 2. Alright, so we have our derivative here. What we want to do is find where this derivative is equal to 0, because remember, the derivative is the slope of the tangent line, and we want to find where that's horizontal, aka equal to 0. So we take f prime of x, and it's equal to 2x over an x squared plus 1 all squared. We're setting equal to 0. Now the tricky part here is our denominator. Well, we don't really have to worry about that, and that's getting knowledge of rational functions. Because if this denominator equals 0, the function undefined doesn't count. So we just look at the numerator, which is 2x, and we're setting it equal to 0. Divide both sides by 2, and x equals, well, 0. Just to double check, plugging it into the derivative here, seeing if the denominator does equal 0 when it happens. 0 squared is 0, plus 1 is 1, 1 squared is 1, we're good. So at x equals 0 is where our slope of the tangent line is equal to 0. So what we need to do now is plug that into our original function to find the y-coordinate there. Remember, it's the original function now. So we have f of 0, plugging it in, equals to negative 1 over 0 squared. I can write a squared, oh my goodness, plus 1. Negative 1 over 0 squared 0, plus 1 is 1. We have a negative 1 right here. And so our coordinate point, 0, negative 1, is our final answer, and that is where the tangent line of the function is horizontal. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.